Greetings, one and all. Welcome to the channel. Guys, my name is Mind Power. You can call me MP. On this side of TikTok, we turn our pain into possibility, purpose, and power. We take the power back from the narcissist, and the shame the narcissist puts on us, we turn that into solutions and services. And therefore, this message is my message onto you. Welcome to the channel. Guys, I'm going to dive right into this one, but on January 19, 2025, a few days from now, TikTok will be closing in the US. Please go over there and hit Mr. Mind Power, hit the subscribe button because that's where the content will be moving to. Those who are new to the channel, I wear the glasses in the videos because when I looked in the eyes when I was a little kid, the sun damaged my eyes permanently. I've had to wear shades outside ever since. Now, guys, the title of this video is How to Defeat the Narcissist in Court. Yesterday, I made a video about the covert narcissist being the most malignant, most difficult, hellish narcissist to engage with in court. You could go back and watch that video. That video prompted a few people to ask the question, however, how do you defeat the person in court? I didn't get a chance to expand upon that idea because I ran out of time with the video. So I'm going to dive right into this video. Guys, listen, I should say I am not an attorney. And this video is for entertainment purposes. Should you wish to find an attorney, please seek one in your relative state. Oh, guys, listen. Rule number one. When you're in court with against a narcissist, guys, understand that when you get into court with the narcissist, you're going to be up against a psychopath. More than likely, they're going to have a psychopath sitting next to them who is the attorney they just hired. Narcissist and psychopath and the dark triad, they work together. You understand that? This is something I'm going to make in a future video to explain what's going on. But you guys need to understand that's who they would seek out for representation. It's another person who is just like them. It's a flying monkey. Their attorney becomes a flying monkey. You get it? So that's who's representing them in court. So rule number one, you want to hire a narcissistic survivor coach or abuse recovery coach or whatever you want to call it that has experience in this area. That's my rule number one. The reason is this coach will be able to tell you if they have experience with the court system, how to navigate moving forward. You want to work with the coach and you want to work with your attorney for many reasons. The main reason is the narcissist will try to destroy you. And if you were to afford an attorney, sometimes those attorneys work together. You understand? Against you. Okay? So trust me on this one. Find a coach that you can talk to. I put it as number one. That's my number one. Okay? Number two, find an attorney. You want to find an attorney. Here's the difficulty with the situation when you find yourself in. Majority of the time, the victim, will be sitting without resources. You will be already smeared, triangulated. You'll be accused of abuse. You'll be accused of being a bad mom. You'll be accused of being an alcoholic mom, a drug addicted mom, a bad mom, abusive mom. You'll be accused of the same thing if you're a dad. You abused her, you beat her up. You're the worst guy on the planet. You did some sexual stuff to her. All of this, and to your children. All of this is fair game for a psychopath. You understand? So you're going to want to find an attorney. Now, the dilemma is normally the victim cannot afford an attorney because your life, but by the time you get to court, the narcissist will have dragged you. You would have probably already been arrested, kicked out the house, got no place to stay. Your life is in shambles. You lost your job. They would have, if you're up against a malignant narcissist, guys, listen, man, some of you aren't ready for this. Some of you think you've been with a narcissist, but you haven't lived with a narcissist until you've gone through a malignant narcissist, okay? The grandiose narcissist in court, they can be a pain in the butt, but normally they're just dismissive and they make your life a living hell. The malignant ones are like, oh my God, you got some skills from dealing with those individuals, right? So that's my advice. Get an attorney, right? Rule number 3, if you cannot afford an attorney, go to your state local legal aid. and have them assist you with filing motions and setting you up in that direction. And additionally, their websites available. Contact me for more information on this. Websites that you could go to where you pay a minimum, maybe $50 a month, and you get unlimited access to the best divorce attorneys who can give you advice into filing motions and what the next steps are, and you can work with those individuals online and file your own motions on your own behalf, right? Now, again, guys, if you find yourself in this situation, more than likely you will not have a lawyer. The narcissist will have prepared themselves ahead of time because everything they do is premeditated, and they will have a counselor. Trust me, right? So this is what I would do. Number four is remain calm. Number 4 should be number 1, but it's number 4. So remain calm. How do you remain calm? Put a smile on your face. Crack some jokes, all right? And here's how you do it. When you're in court and they're opposing you and their attorneys accusing you of all the bogus stuff, you hit your son over the head with a 2x4 and you were drunk and you're this and you're that, anything they accuse you of, just use your body language. You roll your eyes. You roll your eyes. Oh my God. Just exaggerate it. Non-verbal communication, just like the covert narcissist over there, right? You just copy them, right? Just, oh my. And sometimes what you want to do is if they say something ridiculous, just burst out laughing. Just laugh at them, okay? What it will do, it will deflate the room. The judge will look at you, and you could even say something. I'm sorry, Your Honor, but that's just so funny how believable they are. They're such good actors, right? Every now and again, you get to talk in the court, right? So use those opportunities, right? It will humiliate them. Both of them are narcissists. They can't take public humiliation, right? So it will just stop that proceeding. You will have won that day. The moment you start laughing, you win, okay? With a narcissist, the moment you start laughing, you have won for that day on that proceeding. There's no way they can win. They can't function after you humiliate them. And then that's number 4, stay calm. Number 5, right? Take the gloves off. Go after the narc, right? What I mean by this is don't hold back. Whenever the narc, when it's your turn to present in court, you want to tell the judge everything. You want to say, Your Honor, this proceeding is Your Honor, this is what I've been dealing with my entire 10 years married to this person. It's just pathological, Your Honor. I haven't done anything, Your Honor. Listen, Your Honor, when I met her name was Diamond, okay, Your Honor? All right, you get me, Your Honor? All right, Your Honor, she's got a Playboy bunny tattooed on her butt, okay? Okay, Your Honor. Right? Your Honor, she was in jail for being an escort, okay? Anything you have that you could use against that person, I want you to use it. Say it in court, right? It will humiliate the narcissist publicly. It causes a narcissistic injury. And what will happen is if you do this every single time, they'll get frustrated with their attorney and they'll fire that attorney. You understand? And so you would have won at that point, right? They can hire another attorney, but you just keep doing that till they run out of money. And that's the whole point of what you're doing here is to get them to run out of money. Once they're out of money, they can't represent themselves because they have no feet to stand on, right? There's no body inside, okay? That's number 5. Number 6 is key, right? When you file motions, what you want to do is look to the motions from the appellate court, right? Meaning past cases that have went up on appeal for custody, and the appellate court is the next level, the next step after you get a judgment from the court you're sitting in, right? So you want to go to the appellate rulings in your state on the custody matter that you're dealing with and see what they ruled on and build your case against something that they've already ruled on. Judges get judged based on whether or not their cases move to the appellate court or not. They don't want their cases going to the appellate court in the future. And that's my video, guys. I'm out of time.